today I want to address the fender shields. If we get this side done today, that'll be awesome. Because I fed up with leaking when rainfall, and I gone quite real claro to buy the spare here. So I think I will get some better screws. In the meantime, I'll just brush it and roll it up.
What man? Flat black. The one up spray on a paintbrush, boy.
Nah, I want gloss black.
Oh, man. I paint big van and thing. I work. I will drive van. Well, I take up and paint the whole van red. I look at smooth. Now you pass inspection too. You paint make it thin.
Yeah.
And I run it. Nobody I know is spray on a paintbrush. A full paintbrush.
Oh.
And we go and pass inspection. I paint all traffic and then I'm gone. Yeah, I did too. I'm going past the second. When the man pull the handbrake, the cable bus power the man, so you go there, man. You can have back aggressive when you get that. The man knows it. There's a black box together home, man. You can tell you, pull the handbrake. There you go. What is that, camera?
Yeah.
What is that, man?
I'm making a YouTube video.
Oh.
So they the tape here to line up the thing. Righty, this could be lefty. So this attached to this. Let me see if this will work for this. A little tight, but yeah. Just hope this piece slides out and be easy. Oh! The outside. Look at it. Are you free, bitch? Okay. As you can see, all I'm dirtiness not supposed to be there. It was mainly leaking from this area. As you can see, the wonderful professional job that I have done. This is filler. Why would you do that? They probably put a patch here, but why you didn't just like cut it from here and weld it in? Why is it like putting it and put patch? Trinidad Valley, like taking your money and things you're doing with it. The sun right out though. I can't do this. They take you. Okay, well, let's say it out. The sun is too hot. Like the Queen, I'm from Bridgerton. Ciao. Acquired. Some other skills. It looks so weird. Kinda weird to think a fender is full so much and the frame is just a skinny little thing. Anyhow, it's time. Let me see to put back on this fender because I have to work tomorrow. Looking good, professional. So let me hope it one see. Put this in. Where the fuck do these go? Yeah. So you gotta fix that with some heat. Mount back up everything. Fender Sheild installed. It's just this little piece here, but you could always get something to fix that. But yeah, nice. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, you know. And tell me what you want to see, what you would like to see more of, what do they want more information of. Oh yeah, this is Super Garage. Peace. Good night.